Got this today. You can see it's been done in the back, so that's got to be stripped down. And then the unit itself, there is no key, but I might have a key that fits and works this. I don't know yet, I'll have to have a look. The usual shit, old money, bits and pieces. I got this for nothing, absolutely nothing. I couldn't let it go. Sorry about the picture. As you can see, needs quite a bit of work. And the top, the usual, worn out, knackered. I think this might be painted, I don't know. It's bloody heavy though. Anyway, there you go, my next project. But I'm still doing this one in here. I've ordered some stuff from Temu. I'm waiting for that to come and then I shall continue with this. Give me some thoughts on what you think I should do. Stain it, or they seem to be doing a Pottery Barn style painting thingy. Really light colour, make it look like they do. Really light and nice, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, if you're looking at this, if you could subscribe and give me a thumbs up, much appreciated. Catch you in the next one.